Some of us were already active by 1960. Initially, this is 65 years ago. Initially, we were in the old political parties of DP, UPC, Kabaka Yeka.
Political parties under DP tado NRM
not NRM, DP, Kabaka Yeka, and UPC.
Sadasi UPC ni DP ni azini bonve Kabaka Yeka ikianda ele dasini.
But by 1965, we had seen the weaknesses of those parties.
Di dozili falu turoromi kaliazia din tausi anedi amutidaki azini gari adini mukeku.
That's how we started study groups in the universities.
Amado di amutiazi anti school ni universitya nezukini yodi bayro jangoni ari.
And the university study groups evolved into university organizations, which eventually became what is NRM now.
And the school adi otoki diti warotu alu emuki di amuti NRM rudi edo.
Now, in all those years, we have made like 9 contributions, but for today I will speak about only 3.
Ili diki siworo ayo angwezoza alu diki kalina dinoromi te ingalu andru iyonze aziri madia.
But in other meetings I will keep adding on and on.
Meeting azi ini mu yo mi peri madia imu azini ki daki obara woro.
And when I am concluding the tour of West Nile, I will summarize the 9 points.
Ikaimu ati ivu amabu West Nile dari debo ingamu dileka ki onve imu yo diki dria otitu alu ete dileka pini woro.
But in the manifesto of the NRM, we have captured 7 of the 9 points.
Amabu manifesto NRM dria kandiku buku NRM dria amoti azini ki aziri madidi muyonze dinia.
And the NRM teams are coming. They will come up to the parish level to bring my message, but also the manifesto physically to your leaders.
Amabu NRM dri marachadisi adiki amangamu akuasi parisiasi eyo dike tezu mini kilili NRM ngamu adu yoari ili taudu maria amangati mibu akuwe dale.
So in all your villages, you will be having a copy of the manifesto and my messages.
Amabu akuasi inyatiasi parisiasi joagosi woro amangamu oduko NRM le adu yoari amangati mibu akuasi.
As I have said, the manifesto captures 7 of the 9 points.
Manifesto amabu NRM dri dua iyo aziri okoru oro mirimalia.
Now today I will speak about only 3.
Inga andrusi maratadia iyonze lu nari madia aziri ke mimusu amani musu mivu akue seleasi.
The first one is what all of you talked about a little while ago. The one of peace. NRM has been able to bring peace to this part of Uganda, for the first time in 500 years.
NRM iji aiko viniti chita amavu Uganda ria palo korsi ili turuta umalia apasita daleni yo asianzu tadiayo amatangirigiri pie amapaki nda Congo amapaki Sudania iji amani asianzu sangati asianzu sifo.
Some people speak about Uganda as if it started with the British.
Baziki nekikini ekaki Uganda ri do andra sa mundungari.
I happen to belong to one of the most ancient indigenous groups of this area. And I know what was happening in the last 1,000 years.
okolomu okalamvu bani afa dezu afa nyazaruku afa chuma diki dezu diki bama baiki amavu western adwa.
We had peace from about 900 AD to about 1400 AD.
Amata asianju pie idozu ili elfu ili turusu AD pere ili turoromi AD.
At that time, much of the area was governed by a dynasty known as Bachwezi.
Ndene pari amavu diki waro Uganda sivini amavu western area baziki ndati dicheni banda ikiomve Bachwezi.
But that dynasty collapsed around 1400.
Tedi dicheba banove Bachwezi rudiki ili elfu alu turu tausi idaki dite.
During the time of the Bachwezi, there was peace.
Ya damavutia asianju ido dibele infe.
That's why in some areas they are worshipped as if they are gods, but because they were brought peace, and then when they left, everybody regretted.
Badani di muzubo baziki ikinzi atkuni zikianda suanzura sadakisi.
Now, when the Bachwezi kingdom collapsed, 1400 up to the time of the British, our kings were busy fighting one another. Buganda, Ankole, Bunyoro, Rwanda, fighting.
Opi andra madi Bachwezi di kadi muidebo opi azidi Buganda, Bunyorwa, amavu western adiki idoki dia fufu imeselea adi fudi ba chaki di ngiri pie chandi fidi akumeseleasi.
And when the British came, they also started their own wars with Kabarega, with Mwanga, then with the Karmajong cattle rustling.
Mundu ni vini fizubo idoki vini adi ivuri bazi opi amari de pie pere Karamajoasi pere Bunyoroasi ritwini adi di lezuvini angopazu.
Then after independence, situation became worse. The wars.
Amari dimu de wala isuzubo ili elfu alu turo romi kaliazia di nirisi iyo di maziki otuki di werera.
The conflict between Mutesa and Obote.
Ngiri Mutesa pima pipi Obotebe kianda viniti.
The conflict between Idi Amin and Obote.
Azini vini ngiri Amin pima selia Obotebe.
The was to get rid of Amin. Then the suffering of the people of West Nile, Amin was defeated. Then the wars between NRM and the UPC. And the wars which were here, you know them, the rebels from South Sudan here, Gambuuze and so on.
South Sudan under group Gambuuze Pinidi said Mavu Western area. Take.
However, from 2007, there have been peace in the whole country.
Asianzu di Amavu Uganda waro pari waro abasangadi.
And that's why you hear that so many refugees are here, because there is peace here, and where they are coming from, there is some problem.
President Yoweri Kaguta Museveni.
So that is one big achievement, which really we should all protect.
Alu ambo asianzudi le atekia gaini ambakitani kilili muzudia.
And it's not an accident that we have been able to bring peace, because there is peace mainly because of our ideology of rejecting sectarianism of religion and tribes.
Iyo de adikini imuki aparakarundi niko afazi nduvu dinisi. Nduvu surusi, nduvu yoriatsiri, NRM, imu dibele afadiki draw sase amande adizo ala yoriasi.
We also reject the marginalization of women and children and youth.
Amadibinada ne okuki and your deki and the nyiripie rekivinanda the tea saru iwi da kesi.
We treat everybody as equal according to their contribution.
Sarsi de ba alu ba imazako anzinyiri oku anzi ode this size evil voice.
Now, because of that,
Dama dilia
we are able to build a national political party.
asidi amuti amavu NRM didi kilili kari Uganda there.
Now, that national political party is very important because when we go for elections, we win in the